Nakita niyo ba? Guys! Aning! Look! Guys, kita niyo ba yung whale? Answer in the comment. Guys, kita niyo ba yung sign? Your magical journey begins here. Guys, alam mo kung saan ako? Ang ganda ko din yung Disney Castle. Punta lang Disneyland. At nakapunta na tayo sa Disneyland. Ang una muna natin ay Frozen! Nakita nyo. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Trust me, maganda to. Guys, continue yung tawag sa Frozen, so let's go! Feel. Hindi mo maganda tong Cinderella carousel. Mas maganda yun.
Totoo yan, hindi ka talaga sila. Tayo.
Don't get my Elsa!
Mapagtakan na. Ito. Ayun na, ayun na. Yeah, Ice Monster! Ice Monster, don't get us! Taas ba? Ice Monster! Ready, get ready! Oh no! Nabasa ako! Nabasa ako! Basa ako.
Just let me steam.
Si Olaf po ang
The
totoo.
sky will be blue. And you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
Guys, second ride na natin sa Slinky Dog.
How was your first ride? Explain how was your first ride?
Frozen. Tsaka, oh guys, may lalaglag pa. Grabe pa. Pag panaginip ka siya, punta ka doon, parang ganun. Pag nalalaglag ka sa panaginip. At mukhang masaya pa to.
How do you rate your Frozen?
Scary!
1 out of 5, 1 ulit.
9. Kasi may isang nakakatakot.
Babies!
Ride the dog.
Hey, 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 let's go, let's go!
Dog.
Sarap!
Yun talaga yung mga rides.
Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all, to Mystic Manor. I better go find the little beggar. He's always up for something.
Wala, pinindot niya. May sabihin, magkakulong na lahat ng magandang ayun o, gumalaw na sila. No! Oh, gumagalaw na sila, mga non-living things, kuya. Cheating siya. Wow, ang ganda ng painting. Ah! Ako, baka makagat ka ko. Ah!
Guys, kakain na kami sa Iron Man restaurant. No guys, sarap siya, malapit na kami. At yun mo, ano yung Fantasyland? Kita nyo ba yung guys? Come on, Babanus! Let's go for Adventurous! At guys, ito na papasok pa tayo sa castle. Wow! Ang ganda guys! Tignan mo! Dito pa lang ang ganda ng agad ng Earth. Kita nyo ba? Kita nyo ba guys? Answer in the comments. Oh, the sadness and joy! What's up? Yung sadness oh, what's that universe? What's that universe? That's Tomorrowland. Kunyari ka sa bukas tayo.
Ito si Iron Man. Ay, no, si Iron Man, no.
Bravo, yun na siya. Oh my God.
Okay, everyone, picture time. And be patient. There are a lot of you. And as we all know, there's only one of me.
Okay, do the hero pose. Looking. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice. 1, 2, 3. Let's be
Starstruck yung isa dito.
Real. Kuya, this is real.
Goodness.